In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom widgets and embed in Notion. We're going to build a custom widget using indify and place it directly inside a Notion page so you can level up dashboards, trackers, and home pages without touching any code. Let's get started. First, head over to indify in your browser. Indify is a gallery of ready-made widgets designed to work beautifully with Notion. Once you're on the site, take a moment to browse the collection. You'll see options like progress bars, countdowns, clocks, weather, and more. Pick the widget that suits the purpose of your page. For example, a progress bar is perfect for tracking goals or project milestones. Click the widget you want to use. You'll be prompted to give it a name. This is just for your reference in Indify, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize later, like Q2 Goal Tracker or Daily Countdown. After naming it, click Continue to open the configuration screen. Now you're in the editor, where the fun happens. Here you can fine-tune the widget's look and behavior. Adjust colors to match your Notion theme, choose fonts and sizes that are easy to read, and set any relevant options the widget offers, such as starting values, targets, or labels. As you tweak settings, use the live preview to check readability and contrast. Aim for clear text and sufficient spacing so it looks great on both light and dark Notion themes. When you're happy with the design, look for the copy code button, typically at the bottom left of the indify editor. Click it to copy the embeddable link for your widget. This is what we'll paste into Notion. Next, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want the widget to appear. Click into the page and type a /, then start typing embed. From the menu that appears, select embed. You'll see a field to add a link. Paste the code or link you copied from indify into that field. Then click embed link to confirm. Notion will process the link and display your widget directly on the page. That's it. Your custom widget is live. You can interact with it just like any other Notion block. If you need a different look later, simply return to indify, update the settings, and the embedded widget in Notion will reflect those changes automatically. To recap, visit indify, choose a widget, name it, customize it, copy the code, then in Notion use the embed block, paste the link, and confirm. You've now added a dynamic, customizable widget to your Notion workspace.